Welcome back to Neelam Co. Today I bring you a quick and easy recipe for chia seed pudding. So let's get started. For chia seed pudding we will need 3/4 cup of hot water, half cup of hot milk of any kind, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of crushed almonds, 3 or 4 dates. First of all, I am going to pour 2 tablespoons of chia seed in a bowl, and then going to add hot water in chia seed. And let it stay for a while until the chia seeds are puffed up. And in the meantime, I am going to cut the dates into pieces. This we will use in place of sugar. They are almost cut. That's the last one. You may use 3 or 4 according to your taste. Now they are cut. Let's look at the chia seeds now. As you see, chia seeds are getting thicker, and we will still wait a couple of minutes more. Chia seeds are ready now. Water is fully absorbed. So now I am going to pour 1 tablespoon of crushed almonds. Next, we will add dates. If you don't have dates, you can also use banana instead of dates. So let's mix it and see what is the consistency, and then I will use the milk. I'm going to use milk little by little. As you see, we did not use all the milk. Chia seeds are ready now to eat. Chia seed pudding is now ready to eat. It's a great option for healthy omega-3 breakfast. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time with my another video.